Having a few really good quality knives in the kitchen is important. It also makes it so much easier when it comes to the preparation of food. Just like preparing a chook. Now I want to cut this into 8 pieces ready for a saute. This is actually called a saute cut. And when I'm cutting a whole chicken into 8 pieces, I love to use a boning knife just like this. You can see it's a distinct boning knife because it's quite narrow, shorter, and has a really thin tip to it. So when you're cutting this into 8 pieces, I've just taken the wing tips off, fantastic for stew. And then I always start with the leg. So we want to detach the leg away from the breast. We'll just take our boning knife and just seamlessly slice through the fat, flip it over and just break the joint very easily. Take the boning knife and just run it around the oyster blade and you'll see it comes away quite easily. Then we need to remove the thigh from the bone and we'll just cut straight through the joint. Now we're just letting the knife do all the work and I'm leaving the breast on the bone so it stays moist throughout the cooking process. So what I'm going to do is just cut through those really soft rib bones and then we'll cut down in a V shape and then we detach that, just putting the knife on a 45-degree angle and that'll come off quite easily. This we can use for stock later on. And then this is the crown of the chicken. So again, using our lovely sharp boning knife, we'll just cut straight down the breastbone and that cartilage is quite thin. So the knife will go straight through it just with a little force. Okay, now we have the breast cut in 2. So we'll cut the breast and wing in half. So that's 1. And then the second one. Done. And so there we have it. We have our 2 thighs, 2 drumsticks. We've got the wing that's attached to half of the breast and then the remaining breast. That is ready for your next chicken stew. All done easily with our boning knife.